Hello, Nora Jane. Say hi. Can you say hi? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, what else? What else do you have to say? Oh, yeah? What else? Oh, yeah. I agree. What do you think? Tell us your opinions. Yeah? What do you say? You're getting so big. You were 9 weeks 2 days ago. 9 weeks? That's not very many. And you're already talking? Oh. Okay. End it with a cry. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Big girl. You're such a big girl. Yeah. You are a big girl. I can never tell. What are you saying? Are you saying I'm a big girl? You're a good singer. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good girl.